Gideon Oyagi. Karibu sana, the county forest conservator. We have the chairman of Kitale National Polytechnic Governing Council, Dr. Bishop Paul Korir, planting his tree. Asante sana Bishop. Thank you wote ambao mmefika siku hii ya leo kwa hii sherehe ya kupanda miti, the Trans Nzoia County Tree Planting Day. A round of applause. Thank you very much. Asante sana. Thank you, students from Kitale National Polytechnic. Thank you. We also want to acknowledge the presence of people.
Only 297,000 trainees were in our TVET institutions. How many? 297,000. I'll tell you why that was a tragedy. In this country, we transitioned to university between 22% and 28% of the students who do the exams in KCSE. Meaning, between 78% and 72% do not transition to where? To university. Where are those students supposed to go? To our TVET institutions, to our medical institutions, and to our teacher training institutions. Now, when this administration came into office, we had 1 million or so students in universities. But 297,000 where? Now, how many of you do maths? You've done somewhere along the way, isn't it? So we had 28% equivalent to 1 million and 72 or 78% equivalent to 297%. Hiyo graph unaona inaingia vizuri. The pyramid was inverted. So we came up with a program to enroll our trainees in institutions, and we have a target of 2 million students by the end of this year, 2026. As we speak today, we are at 700 and what, Dr. Kanye? We are at 800,000 trainees now in our institution. And the team, the security team and the Ngao team who have helped us to move around and campaign for the enrollment of all our youth who are between 18 and some below 18 and 35 who are neither in school or in jobs. And I thank the members of parliament here and across the country who have supported our institutions by giving bursaries to our trainees to be able to join and learn in our institutions. On top of that, ladies and gentlemen, when I was in Mombasa recently,